this is Miss Tixie from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What changes, what blessings are coming for you in the eclipse season? Yes, friends, we are moving into the eclipse season in the month of June. Although this can be used for any eclipse seasons, as this is a timeless reading, but we will focus right now on the coming eclipse seasons, what it will bring for you in your life and how it will affect your life, as eclipses have a 6-month effect on our lives. So this is a long-term effect we are talking about here. So please friends, do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Whenever they are posted, you will always get the notifications. And friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is a general timeless reading, so whenever you come across it, it will help you out. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1. This beautiful silver star. I hope you can see it. Pile 2, this beautiful purple star. Pile 3, this beautiful golden star. So as we are in eclipse season, so I wanted to keep them as stars so you can, feel attracted to the one. You can also choose more than one pile. So relax, take a deep breath, choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. And friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below so you can directly go there and skip to your option, or you can watch the entire video. For those who chose option number 1, let's see this beautiful white silver star. Let's see what this eclipse season will bring into your life, what changes. These are your advice cards, and this is your overall theme of the eclipses. Let's see, we'll also be pulling some extra messages from here. Your cards are two of swords, the 5 of pentacles, okay, the page of wands, the 4 of pentacles. Oh my god, 5 and 4, that's interesting. The 2 of cups, how wonderful. The queen of cups and abundance. This is the king of pentacles. Wow. Thunderbolt. Oh my god. Wow. And the rebel. Wow. So what changes are coming in this eclipse season for you? I feel this is a very, very potential, eclipse for you. This will be affecting your relationships and your material worth, material wealth. I feel like your astrological houses that will be affected are family, friendships. Now house 11, I feel like 2 of relationships, and I also feel material wealth is also affected. It will be affecting your wealth, your self-worth, your wealth, your prosperity, and most importantly, your relationships. Oh my god. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, or in this eclipse season, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be important to you. You could be these sun signs. I also feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will also be important to you, or you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this eclipse is going to bring a sudden change into your life. It is going to change something that's not working in your life anymore, be it in your relationships or your perspective, your beliefs. Something is going to crumble, something is going to shift, something is going to, fall down. Sorry to say, but yeah, this change may seem like you may feel it could be a change within you. I feel it is happening both ways, in you also and in another person also. Something is going to crumble, Something is going to crumble, some false beliefs are going to crumble. If there are toxic people in your life, you are suddenly going to realize, or they will be removed from your life, no matter how you like them, how much you need them. Some sort of an awakening is happening during this eclipse season for you, and this is a major theme. And this awakening will affect you for the next 6 months to come, whenever you watch this reading from. This is a timeless reading. Friends, I feel this is also going to bring you into your emotional power. Some of you are struggling in making decisions regarding your relationships. Maybe some of you are dealing with two people, or you are confused regarding a relationship, whether you can trust that person or not. Should you trust them? Should you not? Are they worthy? Are they even there for you? I feel there is a situation where things are on and off, and you are very confused about that person. And that will change. That thing will change. I feel that thing, if you are confused about your relationships, it will change. This eclipse will bring an awakening into your emotional senses, emotional maturity, emotional clarity into your life. False belief, false people, toxic people, everything will be shown to you, whether you like it or not. Sorry to say that, friends, but it will be shown to you. I think it is a good thing to know how things really are, but I feel it is all a positive change. I also feel there is a connection in your life. This person is quite a rebel, or you are quite, different from society. Your choices are different. You are a different person. This is the card of the rebel is like someone who takes a risk, someone who doesn't follow the tradition, someone who is I think you are coming into that power, or you will be meeting someone who is a risk taker, who doesn't follows tradition, who doesn't believe in religion, or like not believe, but like they do not feel chained to it. They follow their own heart, they follow their own path. I feel you are also coming into this energy of a rebel, or I do not see you rebelling anything. I see you becoming more mature, becoming like this king or this queen of cups. I see that this eclipse will make you more mature and understanding of your, receptive of your own draw. You will become self-loving. This eclipse will bring you self-love, where you accept that, yeah, you are different from certain people, and it's not gonna work out with them for some reason or the other. Maybe if you are a student, if you are very young, this eclipse may feel that your choices are very different from your parents, your siblings, your brothers and sisters, and you may feel left out. You may feel left out, but you will understand that this awakening, this awakening that will happen, it will give you the realization that yes, you can support yourself. You have that understanding that why you are different, you will accept it, and where others are, you will accept it. It's that clarity is gonna come to you. This silver is about clarity, it is about spirituality, it is about pure knowledge. I also feel there is a relationship. Some of you, I feel there is a relationship, there is a person who is not sharing their heart to you, who is not opening their feelings towards you. This person is at a distance from you, maybe physical distance. You are in different cities. I feel USA, Florida, Connecticut, New York. Maybe you are in the same countries but in different cities. I feel this person is in double minds regarding you, whether to go for it or not. I feel this has been an ongoing trend. You had both been hurting each other since a long time. I feel some sort of a major awakening is going to happen in this connection or in this relationship. I feel 50-50. Some of you could be getting a realization about this connection, and you may decide to walk away. And for you, and when that happens, when you walk away, you may meet a new connection, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, and that will be a perfect partnership for you, the perfect partner, the one that is meant for you, the one that is completely giving, nurturing partnership. And that's beautiful, and that's a beautiful, I feel this person will also be, you both will have a age gap, but I feel this person is mature, and they are very very they are ready to offer you, they see you as this king or the queen, and they will value it, they will work for this relationship. But it will only happen when you let go of these toxic people, toxic connections, or connections where you are suffering right now, or any past heartache. You need to let go of it, then only you can find this beautiful connection. And this eclipse is going to make you realize that what you need to let go of, what you need to keep in life. I also feel if you already know this person who is not giving you time, who has ghosted you, blocked you, kept you in circles, if you already know this person and you are there, there is a chance for 50% or maybe less than that, 20% of you, that this person will go through a major soul awakening during this eclipse season, and this person will also grow up. This person, this awakening, this eclipse season will make a change in this person, and from immature, or from a rebellious person, or from a person who was not willing to invest in this relationship, or value your love and care, this person will suddenly grow up because of a realization, and they will become this king of pentacles. This Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus king, who knows what they want, and whose promises are strong. Maybe, but for it's for 20% of you. I do not see, for some of you I see you walking out of this connection, this past hurt, this past pain, and moving into this beautiful new relationship. But it will only happen when you let go of this and give yourself some time to accept yourself, accept that whoever you are, whatever your choice is, whatever your likes. Even some of you could be in same sex relationships, and you are beating yourself down. Why am I doing this? Why do I do this? People don't accept me. It's down, it's like something like that. Love yourself, love yourself. This eclipse is going to bring you self love and the real love that is perfectly a balanced relationship into your life. I also feel that this eclipse will also affect your fears regarding money, how much money you can have, how much money you can earn. If you feel you are not, suddenly your money fears will be very very active, very very active. Like, you may feel like money is not coming in, you may have career issues also. So this will be a 6-month trend. So it will be like, you will constantly fluctuate. Should you change your job? Should you change your career field? Should you, shouldn't you, should you, shouldn't you? You will be fluctuating for the next 6 months in these choices. Should you stay with this path, or should you change? Is this career giving me money? Or you may choose a career just because it's giving you money, it's paying your bills, so you want to stay there, but it doesn't make you happy, it keeps you away from your family, it makes you tired, it makes you ill, it's toxic for you in some way, but you don't want to leave it. So this eclipse will affect your love, relationships, and how the way you earn money, or what is money to you, or what is, like, your life path, whether you want to be there, or like what's toxic for you. Like, you can be doing a job just for money because it gives you good money, it gives you monthly paycheck to paycheck, but you don't but it's not making you happy. You have other options available. You are this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You have better careers available to you if you want it, and if you are ready to work hard for it, but you are still doubting that maybe money will not come from it. So there will be a lot of awakening, there will be a lot of shifts happening this eclipse season for you, and you will be gaining a lot of support. You may feel alone during these 6 months, or during this month of June when these eclipses start. You may feel like you are alone on this own path where nobody understands you, but my God, rest assured, you are on the right path. Supportive people, supportive love, relationships, and harmonious friendships, and good working environments are coming for you, friends. Definitely, I feel business partnerships will also be happening for you. Let's see your messages, advice messages. How the eclipse season will be for pile number one. I feel definitely you need to balance also your emotions and your mind. You know, you need to take both of them in while making decisions. You have two, you have four, then you have five. So you are progressing. You are progressing throughout. Even right now, you are progressing. Just need to trust and accept yourself. Accept your power. You may be different than others, but you are kind of beating yourself down. Wow, divine magic, extra magical energy surrounds your situation right now. Expect miracles. So, absolutely, miracles will be coming for you this eclipse season. Something big will happen, something that will shift your life. You may meet the life partner or the soulmate you are looking for, or the most perfect relationship you wanted always, or you may see that job that you wanted, you know, that money worries to end. Clarity. Some of you are looking for clarity, some of you are looking for money, some of you are looking for love. It is coming, friends. Expect miracles and accept yourself. Accept it. Whoever, whatever your situation is right now, accept it. Any other message? Pay attention. See? Notice repetitious signs and your inner guidance, as it can yield valuable information. So I feel definitely you should keep a track on the signs that are coming towards you this eclipse season, and even right now you should watch out for 111, 222, 333, 444. You can join our community on YouTube, Magic Vents Tarot's community. I post a lot of things there, so it can help you out in keeping tab of all these signs that the universe wants to give you. Let's see your guidance for this. What is the advice for you to take for the eclipse season? Wow, believe in the impossible. That's beautiful. The blue moon. And believe in yourself. Anything is possible for you this eclipse season. It's super magical. There is again this divine magic, extra magical energy surrounds your situation. Expect miracles. Yes, the path may not be easy, the changes that will come may not be easy at the start, but the final results will make you excited. They will make you so relieved. They will make you very happy. It may take 6 months or 3 to 4 months to show up these results of the eclipses. But my God, believe in the impossible. Believe in your dreams. Believe in yourself. You can achieve it. Let's see your spirit guides messages, how this eclipse will affect you, or where, which area mainly. Priestess, how are you being called to step up and lead? Wow. I told you, some of you are very different from people around you. Your family, your friends, your lovers, you are path breakers, you are leaders, or you are becoming leaders. Maybe your life choices, maybe you are a woman who is single from a long time, or maybe you chose to put yourself first. Maybe you have kids but you still continue to work. Maybe you are a man who doesn't want to marry, or maybe you are in a same sex relationship. Whatever it is that makes you different or you feel is different, do not worry, friends. It is time for you to lead. It is time for you to accept yourself and lead. It is how are you being called to step up and lead? And it is also time for you to connect with your intuition and your divine signs and the cosmos, because you also have this card. Pay attention. So pay attention to the divine signs around you, and you are on the right path. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. For those who chose option number two, this beautiful purple star, let's see what the blessings, what changes, what positive changes this eclipse season will bring. This is your guidance, your advice card. This is the overall theme of the eclipses for you. We'll also be pulling some cards from this deck here. Let's see your cards. The Queen of Pentacles, that's interesting. The Four of Cups, wow. And the Queen and the King of Wands, wow. The High Priestess, the Eight of Wands, the Queen of Swords. Wow. Now that's interesting. You have two queens and one king. Already I'm sensing a situation here. Wow. You have new vision. Okay. New vision. Slowing down, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, the page of Capricorn, page of Earth, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and this is the Queen of Water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So you have like three queens here: the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Oh my God! You could be dealing with a lot of people in the coming eclipse season, I feel. There are definitely a lot of people coming towards you or will be important to you this eclipse season. I feel the people who could be important are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra. I feel you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini people watching this, maybe most of you, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So I feel the sun signs, all these sun signs, earth sign, fire sign, water sign, all signs are here actually. So all signs will be important. I feel a lot of people will be important to you in this eclipse season in the next 6 months. Let me just tune in what's happening here. I feel, you missed an opportunity in the past. You know, you missed something in the past that was destined for you, but it didn't happen in the past, and you are still grieving over it. Why it didn't happen? Why it didn't happen? Like that job, that scholarship you were supposed to get, that job was yours, but it didn't came to you. That car was yours, but it didn't happen for you. That lover was for you, but that marriage didn't happen, or that lover didn't choose you. So I feel something you missed out. Something was not given to you earlier, you missed out on it because of destiny or because of many other reasons. But I feel why that thing didn't work out or why that thing is missing from your life right now, that clarity is going to come to you. Something that was missing from your life will be replaced with something better in this eclipse season for you. I think there could be someone from your past coming towards you. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be your twin flame, could be someone you share a very strong and deep connection with, someone you wanted to marry, or someone you had shown, had a very strong, valuable, deep relationship with. I feel that person could be dealing with right now, if you're twin flame, they could be dealing with a karmic situation, or you are married, so you could be also dealing with people around you. But I feel some sort of a situation is going to clear. That solution, why it didn't work out in the past, why? Because I think it was meant to work out now, or something else better than that is coming towards you. Whatever you missed out in the past, something better is coming, friends, or it is meant to happen now in this eclipse season. I also feel if you are married and your marriage is being affected by third party situations, you can expect a relief in that. You can count on your intuition. If your intuition tells you someone is lying, trust on it, because your intuition is going to be super high, super charged up in this eclipse season. So watch out and trust your intuition. If something feels trustworthy, yes it is. If something feels off, yes it is. And I feel if you are married, there may be issues or influences of other family members affecting your marriage. And I think you will be able to resolve it if you take a slow and steady approach, slowing down. You need to take a slow and steady approach in this eclipse season. I feel like you are very, our viewers are very dynamic, they are very quick, they want to take fast action, especially this. Eclipse will help you if you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your eclipse will help you feel very motivated. It will make you feel very excited. It will fill you with emotions. I want to this, I want to do this, I want to do that. And you have new visions, you have new goals. But then at the same time, this eclipse with all planets in the retrograde currently, it will make you slow down also. So it will be frustrating for you, but it will be important for you to take slow yet excited, bold steps. And that is exactly what you are going to do. I feel if your relationships are affected by some other people, that is going to be resolved in some way. Someone from your past could be coming back and offering you some communication, clarity, or something. If they were in a married, they were in a third party, they will apologize, or some sort of a communication is coming from them. I also feel that you will also be growing very strongly, very bold in this eclipse season. Like if you feel you are very timid, or how do I say, are you scared of doing something? Like, do you feel like there are goals which you cannot do? Like, you can't drive, you can't achieve that, you can't start your own career, you can't be a career woman, career man, or a businessman, or whatever goal that scares you. I think you're gonna do it. You're just gonna do it. And you will, why? Because you have all the support of the universe, and the eclipse is like pushing you towards new goals, new visions, new ideas, new people. And oh my god, I think whatever career you are going to become more successful in it and reach the topmost level, or get some award in this eclipse season or in the next 6 months, because you had been working hard. I feel if you are a businessman or deals with economics, money, finances, bankers, you will have a reward, or extra pay coming towards you, or extra recognition coming towards you. If you deal with law and surgeries, what you say, physicians, nurses, healthcare, um, communications, media, journalism, all those areas, you will again be very successful in your career. So it's like your career is going for the upgradation. Money will be coming your way, your power will be accepted, your wisdom will be accepted, you will become a leader. This eclipse will give you new ideas how to expand your life. If you are a student, I think you are going to actually get very emotionally excited, because you will have 100 ideas. I can do this, I can do that, I can achieve this. But you may also feel very emotional because of some relationship issues. So you will have to balance it. You may miss someone from your past, or someone whom you loved a lot, but why they didn't accepted you and all those things. I feel if you are a student or if you are very young, you may have to deal with these two things: excitement for your work, extra luck and energy coming for your work, and at the same time, this push and pull of extra emotions, why certain things were not, why someone didn't choose you, why they left you out, why they hurt you. Maybe that person could come back again. But I also feel there is also someone better coming for you, because we have another Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person here. So I feel maybe that past person will communicate something to you, but you will have the clarity that you need why certain things didn't work out. But I feel there will be another person that's better and more suitable for you, that will be yours. So there is a lot of energy and a lot of positive energy, and you taking charge of your life in this eclipse season, and clarity coming, your intuition. You will be learning more and more. If you are a student, your desire to learn new things, you will want to learn everything. You will want to become like the jack of all trades, but you may end up having a problem in finishing or sticking to one thing. So be careful for that also, because you are very deep emotions and very high ambition. That is how the eclipse will affect you. I feel the eclipse will affect the money. Some of you could be getting married. in this eclipse season, or you will find the person you are going to get married to, or some sort of a issue regarding marriage is there, some sort of issues regarding inheritances, shared money, and all those shared resources. But I think it will be positive, like you getting your dues, you getting your reward. If someone did you bad, hurted you bad, good karma comes to you now, this eclipse season. Let's see your advice. Let's see. Oh my god. So this wants to come out. Rest. I definitely thought you are going to really exhaust yourself with so much of emotional intensity and ambition. So take some time. You have been working hard. Take a nap. Get some rest. I feel you need to do this right now because we are still in May and the eclipses will start in June. Although this is a timeless reading, you can watch it anytime if you feel drawn to. Or any eclipse season, they come again and again. Like they will come again in the year, so you can watch it then. But I feel right now you need to take a little rest because you are quite excited, or you will have a busy time after the eclipse or during the eclipse. So rest now. Simplify your life. So definitely I feel clarity will be coming towards many things in your lives, things which you are carrying from a very long time, 6 years, 7 years, relationships, answers, questions, why they left you, why they did you, why this person hurted me, why people at work are against me, why my family doesn't understand me, why my in-laws don't understand me, why my marriage isn't working. All those answers you are seeking, you will get it. You will get it in the eclipse, and it will it will simplify your life. It will bring you the guidance you need, the clarity to move forward. And that's exactly what you want, to move forward. You want to clear away the past and you want to move ahead. That's what's gonna happen. Healing heart, you are a powerful healer. Keep up the great work. I definitely feel things which will happen in the eclipse will heal your heart and will also give you new courage and inspiration for your career, your life path, your life goal, your work. So it will make you feel quite inspired. Contemplation time. So definitely you will be taking some time off because there will be a lot of people coming into your life during the eclipse. People from your past, people from now, people that you are going to meet. So a lot of people are coming, so you may need to take some time in between for yourself to understand things, because your intuition is telling you something, people are also telling you something. You need to find your own balance in it. Let us see your advice for the eclipse season. You are good enough, full moon in Virgo. See? You are good enough, friends. You deserve the world. You deserve the moon. You deserve the star. This is already yours. I would like to pull it here, keep it here into her hairs. So definitely, friends, you are good enough. You deserve the world. I think some of you could be getting a dream job or a very good offer of love. I think if some of you are still crying about some past person or past job that didn't work out, I think it is because you are good enough for a better thing. You deserve much more, and that thing is coming. You haven't received it yet, so you are confused, but when you get it in the next 6 months, you will be amazed. Because purple is about like, aha, aha, I got it, that energy, aha, that aha moment. Let's see your advice. Which area will be affected? Align your life, whatever is not aligned or needs to change. So, definitely, this eclipse will help you to remove these doubts from your mind. You are doubting your intuition, you are doubting yourself. You may be like, yeah, someone left me, so I'm not good enough. No, that's not true. You are good enough. They left you because they may have other reasons for it, right? Maybe it was not destined, but what you are destined for could be better than what you are looking for. So I think you are not aligned or needs to change. Something will change. Something will become clear. You are missing out on something. You feel like something is missing in your life right now. It could be love, it could be marriage, it could be children, like some of you want kids but it's not happening. I think it's all going to reveal itself. What you need, why something didn't happen in the past, now it will happen, or something better is going to happen. A lot of things are going to be just falling into place for you. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I wish you a very, very nice and a happy eclipse season. And please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. And these are the new topics I'm trying to cover because this is a very special year. We are having a year that we never had before. So do let me know if you enjoyed these readings. Do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. I post a lot there and different stuff than what I post here. Everyday angel messages, interactive readings, a lot of stuff there. So do join us on Instagram and let me know if this reading resonated. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful golden star, let's see what changes or what blessings this eclipse season will bring to you. This is the advice for the month, for the eclipse season for you, your theme or the soul guidance for the eclipse season. Your cards are the 6 of Swords, the 10 of Cups, the 9 of Pentacles, how wonderful, the 3 of Cups, beautiful, the Empress, wow, that's beautiful, and the 2 of Pentacles, and let's see, the Miser, number 4, 4 of Pentacles, going with the flow, Ace of Cups, wow, you have the Ace of Cups, you have the 10 of Wands, suppression, and ripeness, and again the 9 of Pentacles. You have 2 9 of Pentacles from 2 different decks. Congratulations. I would have gotten worried if there were 2 10 of Wands, but thank goodness it isn't that way. Oh my god, this eclipse season is going to bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of celebrations, friends. It is going to finally make you feel like, yes, life is going your way. Yes, love is going my way. Luck is with you. Oh my god, and no wonder you chose this beautiful golden star. I feel that's exactly what you are missing, this golden star. You are missing out. You are like, where is my luck? Where is my love? Where are my celebrations? Where is the good thing in life? Where is it all? I feel you feel quite missed out or left out from life. You feel like life is not good for you, people are not good around you, or in general, like, you feel like you feel left out. You feel left out, like luck has forgotten you. Nobody wants to care for you. It's like you feel like you don't have what everybody has. People have families, they have money, they have everything, but why you don't have it? You have to work harder, but still nothing happens. Why? You also feeling very suppressed right now. You may be feeling like wherever you are, you shouldn't be there. You should travel, you should have a bigger home, a bigger family. If you are single, you want to be in a happy relationship. If you are not working, you want to be working with a lot of money. We all want those things, we all deserve those things, right? So you are wondering why it is not happening. So what the eclipse will do? It will trigger these issues within you. This eclipse will make you feel these things strongly, these things, why you feel restricted. Why? If you are in a bad job, it will suddenly become more bad. If you are in a bad relationship, or if you feel lonely, you may suddenly start to feel lonely, more lonely. But why? Because then it's going to break you out of the shell. It is like it's going to reach to a high and then to a low. Like, how do I explain it? It's like from the 10, you are going to start from the 1. That's what the eclipse is going to do. They are saying it's done now. It's done. You are moving ahead. You are moving ahead to good times. You are moving ahead to peace. You are moving ahead to prosperity. There are good things coming ahead of you. But I feel this drama of negativity, of things going not well for you, people not supporting you, or you feeling restricted may still be there in June or July because of the eclipses. But I feel relief will come to you. A lot of relief will come, and a lot of celebrations are coming for you. I feel this eclipse will bring you happy people who can support you or who enjoy your company, enjoy or have similar hobbies like yours. I also feel some of you could be having A wedding or meeting someone that could be a potential life partner for you this eclipse season. I also feel some of you could be getting like having a family wedding, like someone in the family is getting married in the eclipse season the next 6 months from now. So it could be that, it could be your sister, your cousins, or your aunt, your uncles getting married. Something is like that. A lot of celebrations are coming. I see you getting new friends also in this eclipse season. I feel your creativity will be very, very high, and you will feel very like, yeah, life is good and I'm on the right path, and life is taking me at all the right places, and you are like, yay, yay, baby. So it's kind of like a good energy, and you will be very busy in this eclipse season because I feel your work will be flourishing, your career, your imagination, your creativity will be flourishing. If you are a student, your friendships, your social circle will expand, your educations, like, your, how do I say this? Your success at your education, your college, your exams, that will also expand, but your social circle will expand also in some way or the other. I see some of you could be relocating, shifting, moving to different country, city, buying a bigger house, or just like moving closer to your family is also there. I also feel that a lot of you are going to find a lot of money because you have two nine of pentacles, not just one but two. A lot of money is coming towards you, especially from your past hard work, the patience you have shown till now. If you are not working, you may find a very good job. If you are already working, more extra money may come towards you, or someone may donate money, or like, help you. Your friends or family may give you extra, or you may start doing something part time, and it will bring you more money, more richness, abundance, a sense of security. I also feel if you are a man, you could be marrying a very rich person. uh, Whether man or a woman, you could be marrying a rich person, like very rich, and it will be like you kind of amazed, like, is it really happening? And like, yeah, they will be rich, they will be very well to do, and they are very suitable and compatible to you, so that could also happen. And you two will have a happy family together because they see you as the emperor or the empress. So yeah, quite a lovely energy there. I also feel if some of you are looking for pregnancy or kids, that may happen. If you are not looking, then also if you are married, it can happen. So do stay careful. A chance of a baby is there, pregnancy is there, family expansion is there, or you're starting living with your joint families, or like going meeting friends, family. I feel new friends are also coming, and Ace of Cups of love is also coming towards you. So I feel someone, friendship, a friend you were missing from your past, that will come back again, or new friendships are coming towards you. I also feel you will find a lack of time in the next 6 months. You'll be very busy. You'll be either traveling or thinking of traveling, or your mind will be very active. You'll be very creative also, and you will feel like all over the place a little. So you will have to work harder to balance your life, your profession, your personal life, and a lot of money, lot of happiness, lot of contentment. You will feel like, yeah, life is good, I'm finally moving ahead. People will help you feel secure, people will feel help you connected, stay supported. I also feel if you are an artist or a musician, actor, individual, if you do some individual work, you will find the support. If you are not feeling like, oh, I'm not, this quarantine has been very bad for entrepreneurs or people who do their own work, you will find support, you will find money, or people who are willing to invest in you. Don't worry. So quite, I mean, this is the happiest of all. And you will find a new meaning for what support, family, happiness means. You are laying the foundations, your foundations are very good. Let's see how this eclipse will be for you. Stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle. So, definitely, your dreams are coming true. You may feel very restricted right now, that you can't find that job, you are not getting that money, you are not meeting the new people just because of the home. We are quarantined, we are this, we are that, we are living with family, we don't travel anywhere. How can I meet anyone? Stay optimistic. Stay optimistic. Stay optimistic, friends. Make a wish. This is a magical moment. Make a wish and enjoy its manifestations. It could not have been more perfect and synchronized. Stay optimistic. Why? Because you need to make a wish and you need to see it come with the Empress. It will come true and you will enjoy with the Three of Cups. So make your wishes, friends, and forgive yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Self-forgiveness. I definitely feel you are being very hard on yourself, that you are doing something wrong. That is why you don't have a job. You are doing something wrong. That is why this is not working. No. You are doing everything you can do. We all try our best, isn't it? Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. Stay optimistic. Make a wish. Sometimes you just have to give it to the angels and they're gonna do it for you. Right? Or they're gonna show you how you can do it for yourself. So let's see your advice card for the eclipse season. A personal issue reaches a conclusion. A resolution, sorry friends, full moon in Cancer. So the eclipses are in the Capricorn and Cancer. So definitely it will be quite an effect. I feel your circle of friends, uh, mother, how you feel towards your mother, or how you feel about becoming married, mother, family, all those issues will be affected. And I definitely see some relationship, some friendship which was not working out will finally resolve. Be bold and make the first move. So I definitely feel this is the time, or this eclipse will make you more bolder, aggressive, and you will be more outgoing. Like, yeah, because you have two Nine of Pentacles, you will go after what you want. People already see your value. So you can ask for what you need, Like if you meet a celebrity, you can ask them, hey, can I date you? And they may say yes. So that way, like you will try your luck and you might be lucky. So what is the main spiritual theme for the eclipses for you? Answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? I feel some of you could be starting your soul work, like on your life path, whatever it is. I feel some of you could be working with children, teachers, becoming teachers, learning yourself, educating yourself, becoming parents, raising a family, getting married, or raising a business. That could be your child too. So, it's something, whatever is your life path, that will be shown to you in this eclipse. Answer the call. What is your soul calling? Your soul will be showing you the things you need to do. I told you, you just need to stay optimistic, make a wish, and angels will do it for you, or they will show you the path, and you will have to walk on it, and that will make your wishes come true. So I think that says it all. I wish you a very, very happy eclipse season. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.